Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on today's video, we're just gonna do another update on the NAS 100. When will be the right time basically now to take continuation buys? So yesterday guys, we did cover and we did say that NAS 100 is basically trading in between this lower high point and this lower low point right here. So what you guys could see what was happening basically yesterday is that price did basically come and test this area here of our lower low, right? And there you guys can see price did come and grab all of take out all of the sellers from here, take out liquidity. And what you guys could also notice is that price did flip to the downside, right? It did flip here to the downside, right? Flip to the downside and then was taking out this bias from the London session, right? As you guys can see how price basically starting to behave right now, we can see a V formation. So how and what can you do in situations like this, guys? So let me just show you some small example. Once you see price creating a V formation, right? As you guys can see, price is basically showing us there's intent for selling and there's intent for buying, right? So now you guys have to wait for price to showing us a correct information. So what I love to see right now on S100 is for price to show me that it wants to continue to the upside and come and test this lower high. So what I will wait for is for price to creating a descending correct information to the downside. So once price starting to show me this some form of correct information, then I will wait for a break and I will take a entry right there and keep my stop just under here and wait for the continuation for this breakout of this previous lower high structure point right here. So as you guys can see, price is basically now in this V formation, guys. So let's jump into our 1 hour time frame, right? So as you guys could see on our 1 hour time frame is that price did create this area of support. We did break out of it, right? And there you guys can see where price is basically coming retesting it now, right? So one thing what you guys can keep in consideration right now is that you guys can see we have this breakout of structure and there we have our retest candle. So now we can see that we have that high probability that price can still continue with a move to the upside to come and test this lower high structure point, guys. So if we even scale to our 30 minutes time frame right now and 50-minute, we can basically see this, we can basically see the same structure, right? Price did already giving us this impulsive break out of this previous area of resistance and break out of this highs, and there we can see we have this retracement phase, right? So now this is not going to be the right time to trade yet because, right, guys, this is not the NYSE opening or anything, right? So we have to wait, right? We have to wait for proper confirmation. If you take a trade right now there, guys, it's pretty much that when the NYSE open, it will just come and take your stop loss right there and then continue to the upside, right? That can happen. So that is why this is not the right time to trade. So what I will do instead, I will monitor this trading setup on my 4 hour time frame, right? And I will keep it right there. And I will wait for price to come down and test this low C again, right? To come and test this area and this lows here again. This area here, 13,900. Let's keep it 13,900 for continuation buys to this area, to this lower high point right here. This is what I will wait for because, right, as you guys could see, we have this impulsive move to the upside. We did break out of all of this highs right there. So now we just have to wait for the retracement phase. It's around one right now. To take a trading position right now, guys, it's not going to be appropriate because, right, guys, there's a high probability that price can come for the 4 hour retracement and then continue to the upside. So this is basically what I will wait for, guys. And as you guys can see that the NAS 100 is basically trying to change his direction now to the upside because, right, we can see we have a V formation and there's also a sign that the banks is basically getting into the market and there's a high probability that we will come and test this 13,900 area and then continue his way to the upside. But if we continue on, guys, price can just easily from this area decide to continue to the upside. Price can easily do that. So if price starting to do that, break out of retest this area right now and break out of it, then I will still wait for the retracement phase, right? For price to show me that okay, it did break out of it and that's a confirmed breakout of structure. Now we just wait for the what we call the last kiss. The last kiss is once price come and retest the previous area that it was breaking out, just to come and test it again, just to show you like okay, price did break out. Now we're just having the last kiss and then we take this straight for the continuation to the upside. So price can either do that as well. So now, but now, guys, what I told you guys is I will wait for price to retrace back to this area here, 13,900, at least around this area, guys, before I will execute trade. This is not my trading time, but I'm here to keep you guys updated, guys. It's your boy King GK. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on your notifications for updated videos. I'm keeping this promise to you guys to do these videos on a daily basis. And if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to leave your comment down below. Peace out.